everybody! I am so excited to reel in the Christmas content. I may or may not be doing vlogmas. I think that would be so fun. And if you guys couldn't tell by the title, I am doing a Black Friday haul, but I do have a couple packages that have not come in yet that I wanted to include, but they're just gonna take a bit longer and I want to get this video out now. But I will show you guys at the end the packages that I'm waiting for, just in case you guys want to still catch the Black Friday sales. I am a Christian. I love Jesus so much. Christmas is about celebrating the birth of our Savior, and what better way to celebrate than partnering with Caruso. They are a Christian brand that is on the mission to share the good news of Jesus Christ. Let's open this up and I can share a little bit more about them. Guys, I'm so excited. This is really crazy. Caruso actually produces and designs 5 brands so that they can ensure that customers can find the right look. They have soft, pre-shrunk cotton apparel that you'll want to wear daily. Trust me. It says in Matthew 28:19-20, therefore go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, and teaching them to obey everything I have commanded. And surely I am with you always till the very end of the age. This is our mission as Christians. We are to evangelize. We are to share the good news of Jesus Christ so that we can all be in heaven with him one day. Recent studies show that 78% of Christians have never shared the gospel with somebody. And what better way to do so than wearing your faith? Okay, so let me show you guys a couple of these first because I'm so excited. It says grow in God's grace, 2 Peter 3:18. And I got this one in a large. It's so cute, with some black jeans. Okay, and this one is for my dad. It was actually kind of hard to shop for my dad on Caruso because he already has so many of the t-shirts, but I got him this one. I think it's so cool and I think he's gonna love it. I love the flag on the sleeve and it just says, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. I love this so much and I hope he loves it too. They have so many little notebooks and things. I love the color of this one. It says be transformed by the renewing of your mind, and this is Romans 12:2, one of my all-time favorite verses. The colors are just insane. This is the Wonderfully Made journal. I feel like this one's a little bit more mature, and it says, I praise you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Wonderful are your works, my soul knows it very well. Psalm 139:14. And this is also just such a beautiful verse and just reminding us who we are. You guys can probably guess what these are. I'll give you a hint. I love coffee. What better way to share Jesus than drinking out of the cutest little cup? This is the Be Kind mug with handle. This one is perfect for hot coffee. I love hot coffee in the winter time. It says, be brave, be kind. It's so cute. It's so cute. And this is one of my favorite colors. This is the one that I was most excited for. This is the Jesus Sprinkles 22-ounce mug. And it says, Jesus sprinkles my life with joy. 1 Thessalonians 5:16, it says, always be joyful. That's one of my favorite verses. And so that's what inspired me to get this mug. Also, it's the perfect shade of yellow. I'm obsessed with this. I feel like this is a really good one for a mom or an aunt or a grandma. This is a Bless the Lord 22-ounce mug. It says, bless the Lord, oh my soul. Psalm 103:1. Ah, this is beautiful. I'm so glad that my mom drinks coffee now because this is going to be in her stocking. It says right here it fits most cup holders, and so this can definitely fit in my car. It's perfect. I have to go get one of these cups. They are so well made and you can fit so much in here. They're perfect. And we're sharing the love of Jesus. And then lastly is the cutest necklace. It says you are loved, John 3:16. I love supporting a company that creates Christian apparel and products that allow me to just share my faith. Maybe start conversations and let people know that I love Jesus. I hope this inspires you guys to go shop Caruso Christian apparel today and get some of these goodies for your loved ones this Christmas season. Thank you to Caruso for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into the rest of the haul. I already opened this one because I was so excited last night, and this was actually in it. I got it from Gilly Hicks, and I actually saw this in Hannah Melosh's video and I thought it was so cute, and it was only like $23 for like this beautiful little Sherpa. I think it's still on sale for $23, so if you want this, now's the time to do so. I have never gotten a set like this. I don't know how, but I got this red top. It's so cute. They have their little logo. I got matching leggings and they're so cute. I'm pretty sure the top was like $9 and this was around like 12 or something. Super good deal. Some of these are just some PR that I have gotten in for the holiday season, so might as well include it. This one, okay, this one's from Milani. I actually had never tried a energy drink until they had started sending me stuff, and now they are my favorite things and I love them, and this is my favorite flavor of all time from them. It is the Witch's Brew. It's so subtle and it's not as strong as some of the other flavors that I've tried from them, and so it's super good. Oh my, I've never tried one of their protein bars. This looks so good. It's Rocky Road. But I grew up watching Remy Ashton and she always had this in her pantry. It's the Hawaiian shaped ice flavor, and I heard this is like one of their most popular flavors. Shut up. I got a little mixer, a little frother. My day is made. This is insane. There's gonna be so many packages. This one is from Kendra Scott. I have grown up loving Kendra Scott, and I think they're definitely a brand that I will forever just be so in awe of and love. Maybe I should wear this in the airport so that people think I'm married. Love these earrings. Oh my goodness, I believe these are a part of the new Christmas collection. Those are just the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my entire life. Kendra Scott. And of course, had to get some bow earrings because this is season for the bows. And perfect. Literally so perfect. A couple more and just Scott. Also, the packaging is just perfect. I love opening these because I'm just like, what did I get? Oh my, that is so beautiful. Next one is another little pendant necklace. When I was in middle school and high school was the pendant necklaces, and we have some matching earrings. This one is also from Kendra Scott, I believe. This one's pretty big though. I shouldn't have opened it like this. I should not have done that. I should not have done that. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. An ornament. I am so in love. This is the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm shook. This is so beautiful. It matches my necklace. And there's one more little goodie package. So precious. Boss necklace. I'm gonna wear this almost every day. I love that. This is the most beautiful bracelet. It's like this cute little heart. Last Kendra Scott item that we have is this beautiful ring. It has like a horseshoe on it, a heart, a moon, a flower. That's so beautiful. Thank you so much, Kendra Scott. You are seriously the best, and I'm so grateful for just all the things that you've sent me this year. I am blown away. I have no clue where this is from, so let's open it. That's what the best thing about getting mail is, that I usually forget what I ordered or don't know what companies will send me something. So it's from Essie. I'm so excited. Okay, I do my nails at home. I actually just got some gel tips done by my sister Kirsten while we were in Arizona. So I'm so excited to get some new colors. Little cuticle oil. That's so nice. It looks like a lipstick. My cuticles definitely need it. Setter polish. 3 colors we got for the holidays. Little gold glitter one. $9.46. Set in stone $9.58. It's a silver glitter. Marshmallow $24. So perfect, and I'm so excited to wear these for the holidays. Thank you so much, Essie. You guys are the best and the sweetest. And lastly is First Aid Beauty. I always gotta shop the First Aid Beauty lotions because my skin is so dry in the winter, and when my skin's dry, that means I'm gonna break out. So I literally have to lather this stuff on my face. Ultra Repair Cream, the best stuff ever. It looks like a hand cream. Okay, this is the stuff that I use all the time. Have to get it. It's the Ultra Repair Cream. So hydrating. There's a candle. Cozy vibes only. It smells like vanilla. There's no way. Let's put them on. I want to definitely share with you guys what else I got. I didn't go crazy, and I actually didn't shop for my family and things on Black Friday because I honestly was just waiting for all of them to give me their lists. Maybe I'll film a little shop with me for my fam and friends video. I definitely ordered some stuff from Old Navy because I feel like they're just popping off this year, and I saw that they had some of the things that I have been eyeing on sale. It's just like I need to get them now. I'm gonna put the picture on the screen, but I got the cropped hybrid zip vest for women, and I got a size large, so I'm hoping because it is cropped that it'll fit a little longer. Saw somebody on TikTok wearing like the full pullover one, and I just feel like the vest fits my style better, and so definitely going to love this. And then I got the mid-rise baggy wide leg jeans. I have been wanting the low pro Levi jeans, but I just don't know how they would fit on me, and so I decided to go with these ones because they were half off, so they're like $24. Then I got the pullover hoodie, and this one just looks like a thin hoodie. I am into red lately, if you can tell with that set. Yeah, love it so much. Me, Kirsten, and Natalie are going to be matching with the airy flannel cargo skater pajama pants. They have little pockets and they just look so cute on the model, and I definitely wear these out and about, so they're multi-purpose. This is basically everything I have. I pray that you guys have just the best holiday season celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ, and thank you so much to Caruso for sponsoring today's video again. Go shop their apparel. I hope to see you guys in my next video.